What you just watched is a complete fashion ad. No model was hired, no photographer was booked, no studio was rented. Every single frame was generated with AI in under 10 minutes.
In this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow step by step.
We're going to build this from scratch together. Let's get into it.
Here's why most AI fashion content looks generic.
People go straight to generating without plan, and what comes out is a collection of unconnected images that don't feel like they belong to the same brand.
Before generating any content, you need to establish 3 things: visual style, narrative arc, soundscape. You can choose any AI assistant currently on the market. I personally prefer Claude, and paste in a scene description outlining my product and brand aesthetic. It will generate a comprehensive creative brief, detailing the emotional arc, lighting direction, camera movement, and sound design for each individual clip.
Everything is decided before a single image is generated, and that is what keeps the whole campaign coherent from start to finish. Now, let's get to work.
All right, we're inside Fotor. Click on the Product Shot feature. Upload a casual snapshot of your product, select a suitable background color, and hit Generate. The result is clean and crisp, with the fabric texture clearly visible.
Now, to enrich our AI ad content, we require 2 additional assets.
Images of a model wearing the product, and promotional shots depicting the product in a relevant setting.
First is the model try-on.
This step replaces the cumbrous traditional workflow involving model casting, scheduling, on-set production, and post-production retouching. The process is as follows.
We are still using Fotor's image tools. Click on the Virtual Model feature. First, upload photos of your clothing or footwear. Fotor intelligently analyzes the fabric texture while precisely preserving every minute detail. Next, select your model and the background. You can then choose a pose for the model. Since my product here is footwear, I uploaded a few reference poses. Finally, depending on your specific requirements, you may add additional text prompts before clicking the Generate button. Now let's showcase the product in context.
To make our advertisements more engaging and to help our users understand the unique features of our product, we can generate specific scene visuals that convey its minimalist, premium aesthetic.
Simply select the AI image generation feature, upload your product reference images, input your most imaginative concepts as prompts, and click Generate. Now that we have everything we need to capture the perfect shots, let's turn them into a video. Click to enter the Fotor AI video generator. Select your preferred model, upload the product images we just generated, and enter your prompts. Finally, click Generate. This will provide you with a wide variety of advertising clips. Simply use a video editing tool to assemble this footage, and you will end up with a set of stylish, high-impact advertising videos like this one.
This is a complete AI-powered fashion advertising campaign. Virtual models, no photographers needed, no shooting required, no casting fees. From presentation to final export, the entire process takes less than 10 minutes.
And here's your action plan to start today. That's a complete fashion ad workflow, available to any brand, any size, any budget.
If this video saved you time or changed your perspective on using AI to create fashion content, don't forget to like it. If you'd like to learn more about similar AI content workflows, please subscribe. I've included a link to Fotor in the description below. Just try it today. See you next time.